Subscribe to Rajshri Food and click on the bell icon for more updates.
For all you mushroom lovers out there, today I'm going to show you a one-pot dish which is Mushroom Matar Masala. And I have made it in a very home-style way and it's super easy, so let's see how. So I'm going to cook this in a pressure cooker. So let's start with heating around 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, into this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Give it a few seconds and next let's add in 2 grated onions. Cook the onions till they are nice and brown. Once the onion starts changing color, let's add in a teaspoon of garlic paste and a teaspoon of ginger paste. The onion is nice and brown and into this I'm going to add 3 grated tomatoes. Next go in the spices. So let's add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala and 3 green chillies finely chopped. Give this a mix. I need to cook this mixture for a little bit before I add the mushrooms and the peas. Add around a cup of water. Cover it with the lid and pressure cook this for at least 3 whistles on low flame. Let the cooker cool down for a few minutes before you open it. Make sure you don't open it while it's hot. Make sure you remove all the steam before you open it. And then it's going to open really easily. Give this a stir. Time to add the mushrooms and the peas. So I've taken around 400 grams of button mushrooms and I have cleaned it and chopped them into 4. 1 cup of green peas. Salt to taste. Give this a mix. Add around half a cup of water right now. Don't add too much because the mushroom is also going to ooze out a lot of water. And now, let's cover this and let it cook for 3 whistles on low flame. Turn off the flame and let it cool down completely. If you feel there's too much water, you can just cook the gravy for another 2-3 minutes to evaporate some of the water. This is done. Let's turn off the flame and time to plate. This recipe is so simple and it's just such home-style cooking. I'm sure you can't go wrong with this. Garnish it with a little bit of coriander leaves and that's it. So you can enjoy this with hot parathas, rotis or just plain steamed rice. You are going to love it. Make it for your mom or your parents and family. Do try this at home, comment below and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.